My name's Sion. I'm studying advertising and marketing management at Cardiff Met. I applied to go back to university as a mature student. I saw what Cardiff Met had to offer. I wanted to pursue a career in the creative industry, and yeah, the course just seemed like the right choice. So I've always had a passion for video production, specifically the creative aspects of marketing. I chose Fine Role in Media as a work placement because they encompass everything creative about approaching brands, coming up with different creative ideas to express storytelling. Today is my first shoot with the team. I've written my first shot list, just shadowing the boys. Some of the things I've learned on my course that I've applied is just the ability to think outside the box, think creatively, the ability to establish what the story of a brand is, how to convey that. Everything's narrative led. You've got to tell the story to set brands apart.
I think the first thing I noticed when Sion reached out was that he was applying as a Cardiff Metropolitan University student. So that kind of gave us the confidence to take a shot on Sion, just because we know Cardiff Met is such a great educational institution.
I think I was really surprised with the kind of level of trust they put in me. I was attending meetings with new clients. I've done plenty of hands-on work. I've gone to multiple shoots. I'm here on the set of a cooking show, and this morning I was working with a charity doing a documentary for them. So yeah, it just shows the diversity of the day, really. You can definitely see that they enjoy what they do, and it's reflected in my time here. One key thing I've learned during my time here that I'll take back with me to my studies at Cardiff Met: to have an idea is great, but you've got to also approach clients and be able to sell the idea to make them believe in it just as much as you.
It was clear that Sion had a good base knowledge of marketing from his time at Cardiff Met. He was clearly learning things that are not just theoretical from his time at university, but things that he could actually apply while he was with us.
Yeah, the team have been great. It's such a fun, kind of relaxed atmosphere. You can tell that they enjoy what they do, and it's kind of given me a glimpse as to what I want to do, and just have fun doing what you love. If I was to give advice to future students choosing their placement, I'd say don't just choose somewhere because it's easy or because it's close to where you are. Find something that you're passionate about.